We really, our goal with the CTE Foundation and get involved in this program was to provide an opportunity for cross-curricular learning and education in the classroom. We didn't want to just give a car kit to a classroom like an auto shop or any other environment and just say, build a car, follow these instructions, build a car. We wanted the learning to be much deeper than that. And I believe we've achieved that. We were able to bring different programs together, say a physics class working with an automotive class of students so that there's some cross-learning about this program. And then other than that, we really wanted to make sure we were meeting the goals, educational and awareness goals that Sonoma Clean Power had, which is helping these students understand the importance of electric vehicles. Why are they important to our future? It's not just about advanced technology. It's about saving our environment and protecting our environment through this kind of program. And I think students who are going to be, they are some our current and our future drivers in our community need to know that these vehicles have power, that they're vital to our community.